Here it's a self-installation guide to fire up your new Unifi TV box at home. When you unbox, these are the components you will see to help you set up and connect to your TV. Now let's get started. First, connect the HDMI cable to your new Unifi TV box. Then connect the power adapter to the nearest power socket. Then turn on the box by pressing the power button at the back of the box. Once you see the LED light indicators turn blue, you're ready to go. Next, pair your remote control with the Unifi TV box by pressing both buttons simultaneously. Once the pairing connection is successful, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Continue to sign into your Google account using your remote control or your mobile and key in your Google account, email and password. Please do read and accept the terms of service. Next, you may choose to enable your location and submit diagnostic information to Google. With the new Unifi TV box, you can download thousands of apps from the Google Play Store, use Google Assistant feature, and cast content to your TV. Once you're on the home screen, update the firmware. Go to Settings, select Device Preferences, select About, select System Update. Wait for the update to install, then press Restart Now. The TV box will reboot and bring you back to the login screen. Then you need to update the app software first. Press the Apps button on your remote control. Then select Google Play Store, select your profile menu, select Manage Apps and Games. Press Updates, choose and press Unifi TV 2.0 app and select Update. Wait for the update to install, then press Open. Finally, log into your new Unifi TV 2.0 app. For easy access, you can log in via QR code displayed on your TV screen. You can also log in via Unifi TV ID or email. With login via Unifi TV ID, key in your Unifi TV ID and password. As a new user of Unifi TV 2.0 app, you'll be prompted to do a first-time identity verification by entering the OTP sent to registered mobile number or email address. This verification will not be required from the second login onwards. Once the verification is successful, create or select your profile. Congratulations! Welcome to the all-new Unifi TV 2.0 app. More info, visit unifi.com.my/newunifitv.